Yeah, woof indeed. Mm. But, have you ever heard of meowing?
You know, I have.
I knew that that's where this conversation was going.
But I don't know.
But,
I don't know much about it.
have you ever, like, tried it out?
No.
You know, there's a first time for everything.
I mean, that's true. Yes.
Yeah, it is very true.
Meow. Meow. I found another headset. Alright.
Okay. Okay.
What the fuck? Awesome. Meow. I want to talk about it.
Interesting. Did you want to meow about it?
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Does
mystery heroes are we?
Does anyone wanna meow for good luck?
Meow.
Feeling really lucky
I meant
now.
for maybe low, but it's not that low.
If Tank screams meow, we'll win.
Is that right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, fuck,
Yeah,
that's a
we'll
loser.
instantly. Meow.
Personally, I just would have taken.
Meow.
Oh.
I tried to meow me. Kill me. But I got fired from working at the pub, so yeah.
How?
Dropped too many glasses.
For real?
Plus,
like throwing a
actually, I had a
glass at a
couple. I had
customer,
two
too.
complaints. I had two
Oh.
complaints from customers that they heard a waiter meowing.
God.
I wonder who that could be. Walk right meow.
Right meow?
Right meow.
Is
Oh, it works! Bye bye.
Bye.
Hey.
Meow.
Is it good enough for you or not?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, maybe you should have another
boss.
go.
Meow. Meow. Oh, GG's bro. Oh yeah. Meow.
Oh yeah.